I love pancakes. They're super versatile. They're great as a snack, main dish, and of course, a sweet treat. To celebrate this year's Pancake Day, I'm going to show you 4 super tasty pancake-inspired recipe ideas, all with an Asian twist. My favorite Chinese pancake recipe comes from Beijing. It's an egg and spring onion pancake called tongbing. Mix boiling water with plain flour, then crack in 2 eggs and combine into a dough. Knead for a few minutes, then cover and set aside for 40 minutes. In a pan, add rapeseed oil and Lee Kum Kee's pure sesame oil for some nuttiness. Throw in some flour and sea salt and combine well. Then roll the dough out, brushing with the oil and sprinkling with chopped spring onions. Slice into 12 pieces, folding each piece to the center to make a ball. Then roll out again and repeat at least once more. Then roll into a cigar shape, divide into 6 equal pieces and roll each piece out into a pancake. Pan fry until golden and serve with Lee Kum Kee's hoisin sauce for a sweet and salty finish. Gorgeous! Next up is my 5-spiced baked chicken and waffles with a soy maple dressing. Now, no, it's not technically a pancake, but it uses a similar batter with a fluffy texture, so I'm sneaking it in. Combine some flour, salt, 5-spice and chili flakes. Coat chicken thighs in the mix, then dip in beaten egg and panko breadcrumbs. Then drizzle with oil and bake. Next, mix coconut milk with an egg and melted butter. To some plain flour, add baking powder and sea salt. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, then pour the batter onto a waffle iron. Lastly, combine maple syrup with Lee Kum Kee's sweet soy sauce to make an umami sweet drizzle. Stack everything together and pour the syrup all over the dish. Salty, sweet and crispy. Heaven. A super easy way of making a savoury pancake is to simply use egg as the base. My seafood egg pancake couldn't be easier. First, mix potato flour and corn flour with cold water and pour into a hot pan. Follow with 2 beaten eggs, mix seafood, sliced pak choy, chili and spring onion. Then cover and cook through. Make some Lee Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce, hoisin sauce and Sichuan-style hot and spicy stir-fry sauce. This will create a delicious umami sweet and spicy dressing. Then serve with the pancake and garnish with fresh coriander. So simple to make, but packs some big flavour. Lastly, Pancake Day wouldn't be complete without a sweet stack. One of my favourites is raspberry pancakes with a dark chocolate soy drizzle. Firstly, mix flour with salt, sugar and baking powder. Then combine coconut milk, rapeseed oil and 2 beaten eggs. Mix the wet and dry ingredients together to make a lumpy batter and ladle onto a hot pan. Cook through and repeat until you have your stack. For a delicious drizzling sauce, combine some melted dark chocolate with Lee Kum Kee's double deluxe soy sauce. It's double fermented for an extra rich savoury flavour. Smother the pancake stack with the sauce and top with fresh raspberries and mint. So delicious! So there it is, Pancake Day Asian style. Let me know in the comments below your favourite ways to make pancakes and don't forget to subscribe for some more recipe ideas.